Welcome back 40 Piners, and thanks for watching my channel. So this is Mangrove Jack's Australian Series Gold Lager. It's actually technically a pale ale, but we'll skip over that one. So once opening the box, you'll find inside a sachet of yeast and also the beer making pouch. Also on the side of the box you'll have full instructions also. Find yourself a container that will hold the pouch. A lid's preferable, but it's not essential. We pour hot water on it and leave this just to sort of loosen the malt to make it easier to pour out into our fermenter. We add cold water to any dried malt extract or to this beer enhancer. This is to prevent any clumping. So you now want to add your warm pouch of the Mangrove Jack's Gold Lager. At this stage what we're trying to do is to cool the wort to the fermentation temperature and also to aerate the wort so the yeast has got all the oxygen it needs to help reproduce and grow, and obviously to get the capacity of liquid that we need. And as I'm saying on the screen, this is just a clean, sanitised spare lid I have. This isn't the actual lid for this fermenter. So after pitching the yeast, you want to make sure that your lid is nice and sealed. You then want to install your airlock, half filled with water. You also want to tape your thermometer to the side of your fermenter with some bubble wrap, or as I'm doing, use a thermowell and then use your ink bird to record the temperatures.